We're at Graskop Gorge Lift Company, one of the prime sponsors of Face of Devotion Mpumalanga. History about the place is actually a nice history. It was started by a black man, black excellence, Opa Pilane. It's one of the best tourist attractions here in Mpumalanga, sponsored by the place. So we are here to do a forest walk. You know, we are still building. It's Face of Devotion. We are chasing a dream, and that dream is to change a life of an African child, and we are still on that mission. Right.
That's the main thing you should know. And also, we are at the Lift Gorge. In Graskop, as always, our father.
Gorge Lift and a proud sponsor of Face of Devotion South Africa, so stay tuned for our content.
I'm okay, sir. Spaghetti in the forest. Our other team, Lezi Papa, we are trying to decrease the population within the DFS space. So they are up there and they are going to be flying.
She's still alive.
So they're going to jump from there. Right, so
Hi. Ikuqeliwe.
Takwathwile.
Lemvo yaqala mangibona. Hliziyo yathi nguwe. Ngizokuthanda wena dale.
South Africa.
For today, we'd like to say thank you, and we did enjoy Graskop. So we'd like to say thank you and hello to everyone out there.
Our proud sponsor is Graskop Gorge Lift Co. Highly recommended. If you wanna go on outing with family or everything, come here. Everything is on top. Services is proper. So it's Ali, your Face of Devotion, Gauteng, Mr. Overall Winner.
It's fun. If you don't come back here, you don't know.